going on YouTube? It's your boy C-Mo Pips. I'm back with another video, and today I just want to get on the camera and I want to talk about a couple of things. Today I want to talk about a couple of things. So, as y'all see in my previous video, I'm sorry, I had to play a little joke on y'all. I had to, tell y'all what's really going on, because the market been giving me hell. The market been giving me hell. I ain't gonna cap. The market really been giving me hell. The market really been trying to take my money, but us real traders, man, we don't stay down for too long. The storm don't stay for too long. We overcome obstacles. So, I did turn up a little bit Thursday and today. Today is Friday. It's currently 1:58 p.m. And I'm about to show y'all this trade that I'm currently in, man. I'm about to show y'all in this video on how I actually got into this trade. What was my breakdown of this trade? The pair is EUR-GBP. I ain't make too much, but it's something. Like they say, you want to make $274 every single day to be a six-figure earner. And that's all that I'm focusing on, man. I'm not nobody else. I just want to be myself. I don't want to be like nobody else. So, with that being said, if you look at me as, a person that is not a professional trader, or somebody that don't make a lot of money out trading, I just want to let you know I done made $300K out trading. I've been trading going on 3 years right now. I don't have to do all those other things, over leveraging and doing all that other stuff, capping like I'm making, $30,000 on a trade. No, I am not. I'm not making $30,000 on a trade. I am not all these other people that have been trading 5-6 years. So what I really want y'all to do on this channel is just follow my journey, because I promise you I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there, man. This ain't regular. It's levels to it. It's certain capital. This is a capital game. Trading is a capital game. You gotta have money to make money. So with all that being said, I'm about to show y'all my profits from this trade. And yeah, man. So I gotta pull my phone up. Y'all see I'm in this trade right now. I am in EUR-GBP. I'm up $178. I'm up $178 on this trade. The camera will focus. I'm up $178 on this trade. So, and I feel like me making $173 on the trade, you got to think about it. Like, that's true freedom. You got to think about, like, let's just say I got a warehouse job making $11 an hour. How many hours would I have to work to actually make $173? And we're not even going to talk about all the checks being taxed at jobs. Like, you really have to think, if you're not getting paid under the table, how long would it take you to actually make $173? And I'm not talking about hours. I'm talking about after a tax check. After they take some of your money that you work hard for, how much do it take for you to make? How long of a time do it take for you to make $173? And that's what you have to think of. There has been times I made, $1,000 on the trade, $2,000 on the trade. But the market moves in seasons. The market moves in seasons. And right now it's not my season, but at the same time I still have freedom, because I decided that I wanted to learn a skill set. So I'm going to tell y'all the real reason why people don't want to trade forex. And I'm going to tell y'all why. For one, a lot of people that does not trade forex, they see all of these people posting forex on their stories on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, whatever the case is. They see all of these people, and then they see how, they talk about us. You see how the people that don't trade forex talk about the people that do trade forex. So, so one thing is, I realized, like, once I started trading forex, like, I lost a lot of friends, because a lot of people didn't follow my movement. They didn't know what I was trying to obtain. So a lot of people just don't want to look crazy being that forex girl or that forex guy. At the end of the day, this world gonna move off money. If you ain't got no money, you're not gonna really be able to do shit. And that's just a fact. And and you gotta think about, what you do in your free time. What do you do on a daily basis? What do you do every week? How many hours of free time do you actually have? Or do you work 12 hours a day? Let's just be real. If you're working 12 hours a day and you going to sleep, 7-8 hours out of a day, how much free time do you got in those 6 hours? What you doing spending in those 6 hours in a day? We gotta really, start thinking. We gotta start really thinking with our heads. We gotta start. That's the whole reason the C-Mo Pips, bro. That's the whole reason the C-Mo mentality. My merch. Make sure y'all go in the description and go copy your merch. But that's the whole reason I made this. Like, you gotta start seeing more out of life. Like, you gotta wake up every single day that you're gonna go get everything that you deserve. Cause it's like, it's so many different things that you can do. And on this channel, like, I'm not gonna always talk about forex. You know, you don't just gotta do forex, bro. It's so many things that you can do within the world today, you know, to make money. But I just don't stand with, you know, giving up my freedom for it. You know, I truly believe that a lot of us that played sports, we did it because we you know, everybody said it was fun and things like that. You know, you're supposed to have fun with your life. You don't want to wake up every single day and hating something that you do, and you know you got to look forward to it every single day. So that's really just my spiel. You know, a lot of people don't want to do this, for one, because they're scared of looking crazy. They're scared of what people will think about them, for one. And then for two, you know, you gotta invest. So, you know, when you invest, and you always have to be ready to lose that money. You can't be like, oh, is this a guarantee? No, nothing is guaranteed in life, and nothing is free in life. So you gotta take that into accountability. You gotta invest with intention. Don't invest just to try to make some quick pocket change, or don't invest and, you know, try to get by and pay one bill or something. Invest to create, you know, generational wealth. You know, your kids gonna be in the same situation one day. You know, you have kids, they grow up, they're gonna wonder, you know, okay, what I'm gonna do in life. It's your job to, you know, put that vision into them. Okay? So, you know, that shit not on you, it's in you. It gotta be in you, you know. And forex may not be for everybody, you know, but drop shipping could, e-commerce could, you know, selling digital art on the internet could. So, you know, if you want to learn more about, you know, different ways that you can, you know, make income, then go ahead and follow me on IG at SeemoPipsFX, SeemoPipsFX, and go click the link tree in my bio, and you're gonna see where I have different guides to where you can access, you know, new businesses for free. You know, a lot of people don't have a lot of money to go ahead and put down, you know, to go buy products, you know, go buy things to sell and things like that, when I'm giving information that you can get this stuff for free, you know, and actually build yourself up, and then you can eventually move on to, you know, buying your own products and things like that, things that you want to sell. But we gotta, you know, you gotta crawl before you can walk. You gotta crawl before you can walk. We gotta take baby steps at a time. Nothing is gonna happen overnight. Success don't come overnight. So, you know, so it's different levels to it. You know, you gotta stay in your lane, and you gotta play your role, and you gotta do what's necessary to, you know, obtain that success that you want. You know, you gotta write out your goals every single day, and let yourself know that you're gonna achieve those goals. You're gonna do whatever it takes to achieve those goals. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another breakdown video, and today I'm just gonna be showing y'all a breakdown of EURGBP. I told y'all before that it has been very, very hard to trade in this market, so I'm having to change up my style of trading to being a scalper, just so I can get in and out of the market efficiently. So I'm switching my strategy up to being a scalper for right now, because the market is moving a certain type of way, and you have to be able to maneuver in this market to be able to catch some good moves. So what I just seen on EURGBP, so obviously we got this overall high up here. We want to sell high, we want to buy low. So I got this overall high up here for this trend that I saw right here. So once we got this high, this low, this lower high, this low, this overall low, this was the spring. Then we got our test. So once we got our spring here, we see some consolidation right here. Consolidation that symbols reversal. So right here you see this consolidation symbols reversal. Consolidation symbols reversal. So now we go into this new trend. We're going to this new trend, going into the buys. So once we get into this trend with the buys, I now look for an area of resistance that we need to break. So what I realized was, once we got this low, we got this lower high right here, I knew that this was an area where the market previously rejected at this previous trend and at this previous resistance. So now right here, where the market reversed here, the market reversed here, and a lot in this area right here. So with these wicks right here, all I'm gonna do is draw a box from the wick to the body of this, from the wick to the body. So now you're gonna see price rejected here. Now it's coming back to that area. So we got a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we create that higher high. It could have possibly fell right here. Could have possibly fell right here. But if we zoom in If we zoom in, we see that this candle closed above this box. And my box is very, very accurate. It's very, very accurate. That's why I go from the wick to the body. It's very, very accurate. So if I hop into this trade, I won't get a fake out. A candle actually closed above this box. Once I got this little, this little retracement, I knew that this resistance is broken. This resistance is broken. So now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to catch the continuation. So what we look for, we don't look for a long, a very, very long swing position right here, because obviously we're getting far away from this trend line. So when we get far away from the trend line and we get far away from the moving average, that's the least momentum. The momentum is dying down once you get to that point. So after I get above this box, I'm looking for a quick move, 46 pips to a 17 pip stop loss. We didn't really go in too much drawdown. How much drawdown did we go in? We're into 8 pip drawdown. 8 pip drawdown. That's not bad at all. I got into this trade around actually market closing time around like the 6 o'clock. But we're seeing rejection right now because we're touching these previous highs. So I'm looking to get out of this trade very, very soon. And it is Friday, like I said, the market closed at 5 o'clock. So I'm just catching this little move. We're up about a good $2,000 for the week. I was down bad earlier this week. I did go on the 0-3 streak, but I was able to turn that around. And the way US 30 is moving, with Powell talking this week and a lot of news that came out, US 30 gave me a good move as well. So I'm doing pretty good for the week. It's been a sluggish week. So that's pretty much my breakdown on EUR GBP that I can give y'all. If you want more breakdown videos, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go down, comment in the comment section what y'all want me to post, because I told y'all I'm looking to open up my content a lot more. So go down in the comment section and tell me what y'all want me to post, and I'll do those type of videos for y'all. But I appreciate everybody for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.